In today's video, I'll teach you how to change username on Grab. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Grab application. You can see over here Grab application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. In order to change your username, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to your account interface. Now at top you'll be able to see your profile over here. Right over here you'll be able to find the edit icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the options like name, mobile number, email address, etc. So what you have to do is simply tap on the field of name. Now erase the initial name. Now enter the new name over here. Now once you do that, what you have to do is tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can simply go back. Now you can see over here your username has been changed. So that is how you change username on Grab. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.